Hello, what's up guys, I am Revit and welcome in next tutorial where I will show you how to have unlimited health in Dying Light 2. Okay, start. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. You need application which has name vmod. You have link in the description to this application. You must, after installing this application, write dying. It is an AUG and choose Dying Light 2 Stay Human, and you have here option unlimited health, unlimited stamina, unlimited immunity, weapon, money and others. And if you want to activate this shit, you must click numpad 1 or other button when you launch the game. During playing a game, you must click on this button. You may change which you need. For example, this, and during the game you click on this. And I will show you that it's working. I will show you in gameplay that it is good. And look at this. Here you have show that it's working. Okay, you have unlimited health, as you can see, and that's all. Okay, so thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye and see you next time.